In today's video, I'll teach you how to create a control panel shortcut on your desktop in Windows 11. So first of all, what you have to do is go to settings. For that, click on the start icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now hover over the gear icon and click on this option settings. Now after you do that, settings will be opened. What you have to do is click on this option personalization that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the personalization interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option themes that you can see at 4th. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the settings related with themes. Right over here under the section for related settings, you'll be able to find this option for desktop icon settings. What you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here this kind of windows will be opened. Now over here you'll be able to find the section for desktop icons. What you have to do is check on this option control panel. Now once you do that, click on the apply option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the control panel shortcut has been added. So like this you'll be able to do it. So that is how you create a control panel shortcut on your desktop in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.